Welcome to this episode of the CompTIA Tech Plus Prepcast by baremetalcyber.com. Let's begin. Productivity, collaboration, and support software categories each address specific business and personal technology needs. The CompTech Plus certification includes identifying these categories, understanding their functions, and knowing when to apply them in real-world scenarios. By learning how each type of software supports workflows, you can recommend, configure, and troubleshoot applications effectively, ensuring users have the right tools for their tasks. Productivity software is designed to help users create, edit, and organize various types of information. This category includes tools for document preparation, data analysis, and presentation creation. Common examples are Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, or Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These tools are essential in business, education, and administrative roles where accuracy, formatting, and information sharing are critical for efficiency and communication. Word processing applications allow users to create documents that combine formatted text, images, and tables. They provide tools such as spell checking, built-in templates, and real-time collaboration options. These features are used for creating reports, official letters, user manuals, and technical documentation. Files can be saved in formats such as .docx, .odt, or .pdf for compatibility and secure sharing across platforms. Spreadsheet software organizes data into rows and columns, making it possible to perform calculations, generate charts, and filter or sort information. Features like formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting allow users to manage budgets, track inventory, or perform data analysis. Common file formats include .xlsx, comma-separated values files, and .ods, enabling easy import and export between different applications and systems. Presentation software is used to create structured slideshows for meetings, lectures, and training sessions. It allows integration of text, images, audio, video, and animations to enhance the audience's understanding. Tools like speaker notes, slide timers, and customizable themes help presenters manage delivery. Output formats such as .pptx or .odp ensure compatibility with projectors, video conferencing tools, and shared storage systems. Visual diagramming tools are specialized applications for creating flowcharts, organizational charts, network diagrams, and floor plans. Products like Microsoft Visio or Lucidchart offer drag-and-drop symbols and export options to images or PDF formats. These diagrams are valuable in IT for mapping networks, planning infrastructure, and illustrating workflows in project documentation or administrative planning. Collaboration software enables communication and teamwork across locations and time zones. This includes email clients, video conferencing systems, shared document workspaces, and messaging platforms. These tools allow multiple users to contribute to projects simultaneously, streamline updates, and centralize file storage. Common platforms include Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Slack, and Google Workspace for real-time or asynchronous communication. Email clients and messaging applications provide features for composing, sending, and organizing messages. Integrated tools may include calendar scheduling, inbox rules, and folder management for organization. Outlook, Thunderbird, and Apple Mail are examples that support traditional email functions. Messaging tools like Slack and Teams enhance communication with threaded conversations, mentions, and file sharing for faster decision-making. Video conferencing software supports live audio and video meetings, enabling collaboration across distances. Features often include screen sharing, breakout rooms, chat, and session recording. Platforms like Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams are widely used in business and education. These tools frequently integrate with scheduling applications, enabling seamless meeting creation and joining from calendar invites. Online workspaces and document sharing platforms such as Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox provide cloud-based file storage and real-time document editing. Version control, commenting features, and granular access permissions ensure secure and efficient teamwork. These platforms support multiple file formats and allow integration with productivity and collaboration tools, making them central to modern workflow management. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Instant messaging and team communication platforms allow individuals and groups to exchange information in real time, enabling quick decision-making and ongoing coordination. They often provide features such as threaded discussions, user mentions, and emoji reactions to keep conversations organized and contextual. Many integrate with calendars, file storage systems, and project management applications to centralize workflow. Common examples include Microsoft Teams, Slack, and in certain technology teams, Discord. Remote support and help desk software gives IT teams the ability to access and troubleshoot systems without being physically present. These tools enable full or partial screen control, secure file transfers, and access to diagnostic utilities for problem resolution. Widely used options include TeamViewer, AnyDesk, LogMeIn, and Chrome Remote Desktop. They are common among managed service providers, enterprise IT departments, and help desks that support distributed user bases. Ticketing and issue tracking systems help organize and prioritize technical support requests. Applications such as Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Jira allow issues to be logged, assigned to specific team members, and tracked through resolution. These platforms also capture historical data to identify recurring problems and improve service processes. This structured approach ensures that no request is lost, and performance metrics can be measured accurately. Backup and recovery tools protect against data loss by automatically saving copies of important files. They may store data locally, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments. Features often include scheduling for regular backups, encryption for security, and versioning to restore earlier copies. Examples include Acronis, VM, Macrium Reflect, and Windows Backup, each providing options for both home and enterprise users. Antivirus and endpoint security software safeguard systems from malware, ransomware, and unauthorized access. These tools offer real-time scanning, quarantine of suspicious files, and regular update checks to maintain protection. In larger environments, endpoint security platforms may be managed centrally to enforce consistent security policies. Common products include Windows Defender, Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender, used across consumer and business systems alike. System utility and maintenance applications help optimize performance and free up resources. These include disk cleanup tools to remove temporary files, startup managers to reduce boot time, and monitors for memory or processor usage. Native tools such as Windows Task Manager and macOS Activity Monitor serve diagnostic purposes, while third-party utilities like CCleaner provide broader maintenance features. Software delivery models define how applications are accessed and maintained. Locally installed software runs directly on the user's device. Web-based software, also called software as a service, is accessed via a browser with storage in the cloud, and hybrid models combine local installation with cloud synchronization. IT teams must choose a delivery model based on factors such as internet availability, licensing structure, and security requirements. Licensing types and terms dictate legal use and distribution rights for software. Open-source licensing allows users to freely use and modify the code. Commercial licensing requires payment, and perpetual licenses involve a one-time purchase, while subscription licensing charges recurring fees for updates and support. Licensing considerations affect budgeting, feature access, and the frequency of updates. Glossary terms to reinforce for this topic include productivity software, software as a service, remote support, video conferencing, ticketing, backup, antivirus, and utility. Reviewing these terms alongside practical examples and delivery models can strengthen recall. Understanding license types, delivery methods, and update practices is equally important for exam readiness. The CompTIA Tech Plus exam may present scenarios where you must choose the correct software type for a specific task. identify an application by its primary function, or recognize key features of collaboration and support tools. You may also need to match software delivery and licensing models to organizational needs. Scenario-based practice questions will help solidify these concepts. In real-world IT work, technicians install, configure, and support a wide range of applications, ensuring they integrate smoothly into business processes. Help desk staff manage updates, backups, and training for productivity tools, while system administrators maintain collaboration platforms to keep teams connected. Selecting the right tool for a given use case can reduce downtime and improve overall efficiency. In the next episode, we will cover browser configurations, focusing on managing extensions, clearing cache data, and enabling privacy controls. You will learn which browser settings influence performance, compatibility, and security, and how to configure them for both end-user convenience and organizational policy compliance. Join us for Episode 38, Browser Configurations, Extensions, Privacy, and Sync. Thanks for listening. Please visit baremetalcyber.com for more cybersecurity information and education, including a new children's series. For more information on books and more, follow us at cyberauthor.me.